Hello everyone, I Satish Kumar, lecturer in English in Suraj School, Mahendragarh. Today I am going to deliver a lecture on the topic tense. You know very well that tense is that a form of verb which shows only time of an action but also the state of an action. We can divide tense into three categories: present, past and futures. And each tense we can classify into four categories: indefinite, continuous, perfect, perfect, continuous. Okay, in my last videos I have told you about present indefinite, present continuous, present perfect and present perfect continuous. Now I am going to tell you about past tense. Okay, past tense, a verb which refers past time is said to be past tense. Kinds of past tense, you know very well that each tense we can classify into four parts: indefinite, continuous, perfect and perfect continuous. Okay, yes, I have just told you that a verb that refers past time is said to be past tense. Okay, now I am going to tell you about past indefinite tense. Okay, past indefinite tense. When subject I, we, you, they, he, she, it, any name, we should use did plus first form, but you should remember one thing, that sentence should be written in interrogative, negative, interrogative plus a negative. Okay, in that case you will have to write did plus first form. Okay, in simple sentences with all subjects you can use second form of verb. Okay, these are the helping verbs of past indefinite tense. Now I am going to tell you about the structure of past indefinite tense. He wrote a letter. Here he is subject and wrote it second form of verb, a letter object. This is the structure of a simple sentence of past indefinite tense. Okay, and after that in negative sentence, he did not write a letter. He is subject, did not, did helping verb, not negative form, write first form and object. I have already told you in my last videos, in negative sentences we should write negative form, I mean to say that not, between helping verb and main verb. Did is helping verb and write is main verb. Okay, in interrogative sentences I have also told you about the interrogative sentences. Interrogative sentences either start from helping verb or WH family. After that we should mention subject, after that main verb and after that rest part of the sentence. Did plus subject plus first form plus object. That is the structure of interrogative sentence of past indefinite. Did he not write a letter? Did subject not first form plus object and after that we should mention interrogative mark. This is the structure for interrogative sentence of past indefinite. Okay, now I am going to tell you about past continuous. Was, were, first form plus ing, these are the helping verbs of past continuous. Okay, when subject I, we should use was first form plus ing. Okay. When subject he, she, it, any name, we should use was first form plus ing. Again I am going to tell you, when subject I, not we, only I, we should use was first form plus ing. When subjects he, she, it, any name, any similar thing, we should use was first form plus ing. Rest of all subjects we, you, they, we should use were first form plus ing. Okay. Now I am going to tell you about the structure of past continuous. He was writing a letter. She was writing letter. S means subject, which is used for he, was, were, first form plus ing plus object. If we write you in place of he, then we should use were in place of was. Okay. He was not writing a letter. Subject, was, were, not, first form plus ing, object. Always write negative form between helping verb and main verb. Was he writing a letter? Was, were, subject, first form plus ing, object. If we write you in place of he, then we should use were in place of was. Okay. After that, in interrogative plus negative sentences, was he not writing a letter? Was, were, subject, not, first form plus ing plus object. After that, interrogative sentence, interrogative mark. Okay. In today's video, we have discussed about the definition of past tense, and after that, helping verbs of past indefinite. Did plus first form we should use in interrogative, negative, interrogative plus negative sentences, and in simple sentence we should have use only second form of verb with all subjects. And after that, structure of past indefinite, and after that we have discussed about past continuous tense and helping verbs of past continuous tense. Was, were, first form plus ing. When subject I, we should use was. When subject he, she, it, any name, we should use was along with first form plus ing. Rest of all subject we should use were, first form plus ing. And after that we have discussed about the structure of past continuous, simple, negative, interrogative, interrogative plus negative. That's all for today. Thanks and have a nice day. Okay.